Yeah, very rainy, very windy. I mean, we're going to have a really windy day today around Chicago, the kind of winds that cause some problems. So make sure whatever you have that can blow away is tied down if it's still there when you look, because we've already seen some powerful wind gusts. 63 at O'Hare right now, 64 at Midway. We do have some rain to the east of us. Elsewhere, we just have clouds, but more rain showers will probably work their way into your area as we go through the morning and then taper off as we head after midday. Wind speed currently at O'Hare is 21 miles an hour, 31 at Midway. So the winds are up there, and we've seen gusts as high as 52 miles per hour at O'Hare. Right now, the wind gusts are 33 miles per hour at Aurora. They had 45 in the past hour. So you can see we really have the potential for some very strong winds as a front approaches us this morning and really squeezes out that wind. High wind warning till 7 p.m. in the dark shaded area here. A wind advisory to the west of us. Again, winds could gust to 65 miles per hour. Current temperature, this is about the mildest you'll see today. It will drop as we go through the afternoon hours. 62 at Crystal Lake, 62 at Schaumburg, 60 at Orland Park. Rain coming through here and more rain on the way this morning. Some showers on and off with the very strong winds and then dropping temperatures as we go through the afternoon hours. So temperatures will be about upper 40s by the time we get to around 5 p.m. That rain should shut off by late morning, midday hours here. Rain shuts off as the front comes through, and then the temps start to drop and you may start to break up the clouds before the sun goes down. Tomorrow, a whole different day with sunshine and a temperature of 65 degrees and a breeze, but not windy like today. So 60 today and dropping through the afternoon with the strong wind warning out there. 65 on Sunday with sunshine. 57 on Monday as that colder air really works its way in. And don't forget tonight, change your clock back an hour. And then Tuesday, 58 degrees for voting, and that's great. Wednesday, 67, 68 Thursday, and then we drop to 52, which is more typical for early November in Chicago.